Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hashim and today video title is Watch Me Working. Today I was working on Mercedes ML63 AMG. It was like when driving slowly, the wheel lock and make truck, big noise. So I found the problem and I show you what is the problem. Enjoy watching and please consider pushing the like button. Thank you very much. After tightening the drive shaft big nut, make sure to double check this small bolt and tie it again, because this vibration of the gun can sometimes cause loose this small bolt. So make sure to tie this small bolt again after tightening the drive shaft big nut. I am taking off this wiper link now because it's in the way of the control arm bolt. So after taking off this wiper, I get two hooks to hold this wiper up, because it's very heavy and I don't want to damage the hoses for this wiper. You see these two hoses here. Okay, so I hold this wiper up for better. After dropping the control arm down, it will be easy for me to reach the drive shaft. What's happened for this car is when it's running very slow, you can hear noise like truck like this every two turn, because the drive shaft inside, I think it's broken. When I take off the drive shaft, I will open drive shaft and show you what's inside the drive shaft, what damage it is or it happened. Okay, please, if you like my videos, consider subscribe and pushing the like button. Thank you very much, and share the video with your friend. Thank you. It looks like the camera did the freeze here. Okay, don't worry. You're going to see drive shaft on the floor. Look inside the drive shaft. See the metal broken. And see the ball of drive shaft inside. They are everywhere. That's why the car, when running very slow, it will lock and open and make big noise. See, the camera did freeze again because it's very hot and I was filming 4K, and that's why. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share the video with your friend. I see you in the next video. Have a good day. Good night.